What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today there's a few issues which I need to address. First of all will be my license plate light. So a few months back I bought the aftermarket tail tidy. So the tail tidy comes with the license plate light. So I have no idea why the license plate light is not working right now. So in order for me to order online, it takes me about 2 weeks to arrive. Rather than me keep waiting I will be replacing the LED strip myself. So replacing the LED strip is pretty simple. You just got to de-solder the wires, replace the LED strips and solder back the wires again, and you are done. So right now I'll be heading to the LED shops to get the LED strips. Tower. So this is the place where I'll be getting the LED strips. So if you guys are looking for LED lights, you can come here because they have all sorts of LED lights like LED bulbs and LED strips. Okay, so I bought 2 LED strips. So just in case the other one is not working, I have a spare one. And also I bought the transparent tubing. This is a string tube which will protect the LED against heat and moisture. So hopefully my LED strips will last longer. So right now I'll be heading back home to replace my LED strips. Alright guys, so I've removed this license plate light from my bike. I'm going to replace this LED strips by desoldering the wires and replace the LED strips and solder back the wires. So in order for me to access to the wires, I need to dismantle this license plate light. the new LED strips and also shoulder back the wires. I also put on this transparent string tube to protect my LED strip against rain and water if you are washing the bike. So right now I'm going to assemble back this license plate light. Okay, so now the LED strip has been replaced, so my LED license plate light is working right now. So the next issues will be the scratches on my tank. I'm not really a fan of tank pad or tank grip because I like the idea of a plain looking tank. This is the reason why I didn't install any tank pad on my bike. Until recently I found that there's a lot of scratches on the surface of the tank. So this is caused by the riding jacket and the clothing that I've worn. So in order to prevent this from happening, I bought the tank pad to protect my tank. In the market there's a lot of designs and color which you can buy to match your bike. Personally I like the black one instead of the transparent one. It's because over the years the transparent will not be transparent anymore, it will turn yellowish. So right now I'm going to install this tank pad on my bike. So before you install this tank pad on your tank, you have to ensure that your tank is clean. And right now the tank pad installation is done. So the next issues will be the rattling noise that came from the back of the bike. Initially I thought it was my aftermarket tail taddy wasn't secured properly, so I've tried to tighten the 4 bolts and they are tight. So what actually happened was the aftermarket tail taddy doesn't hold up the lower fairing well. That's why there's a free plate at the back. So in order to eliminate the free plate at the back of the tail light, I'll be replacing the stock screw with a longer one. So right now the stock screw has been replaced with a longer one and there's no more free play. Alright guys, so the 3 issues has been addressed. So if you guys really like or love your bike, you should fix all the issues. So if your license plate light is not working, get it replaced. If there's a rattling noise that came from somewhere off the bike, get it fixed. And also to get a tank pad to protect the surface of the tank from getting any scratches. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and bye.